Hey everyone, so we've got another Lick Friday coming up in just a sec, but before we do that, let's get this stuff out the way. So if you want to know when these videos become live, please do subscribe, hit that bell button, that's quite important, and that's it really. Give it a thumbs up if you do like it. Listen to all the other stuff, watch the jams, jamming tracks, plenty of stuff on here for you to learn. So Lick Fridays has been going strong for quite a while now, so that's all good and I must thank you. Now, also, the jamming track is coming up at the end of the video, so that is all free for you to use and just jam along with. It's a good, fun, old-fashioned blues shuffle in C. Nothing else to it. Now, let's get on with that lick. So it's fairly straightforward, but there's it's that continuation of that first lick, that thing. It would have helped if I'd have put my tuner, turned my tuner off for that, but anyway. So it's that continuation of that lick which is the important part of it, and then you're just coming down a standard blues scale to finish with, going into shape 5 of the blues scales and then sliding up to the octave on that first position. Important thing with this is to get the bend right. Most important thing. If you get the bend right, great. And then you've got the pull off from the 11 to the 8 on that second string. That is important as well, but note the different pattern from the first set of, what is it, 4 notes? Yeah, first set of 4 or 5 notes, and then the next load after that. So you've kind of got 6 repetitions. One of them's different, put it that way. But there we go, I'll explain that in the breakdown. But as I said, please do consider subscribing, liking, sharing, hitting the bell button and sharing it all on your social media with everybody out there to make this video boom. And the jamming track is coming up in just a second. Now please do stay by for the breakdown. Why am I talking like that? I don't know. Let's just get on with the breakdown, right? Yeah. Okay, so here we are. So we're on that 10th fret full tone bend in the key of C, C blues scale. If you haven't learnt them, then as I said last week, go to the website and type in blues scales and it should come up, or you search for lessons downloads and you'll find it on there as well. So, first little lick, we've got the 10th fret full tone bend. Doing the 8, 2nd string, 1st string, rolling that first finger across. Now picking wise, I would go down, down, up. And then you've got a down strike on the 11, pulling off to the 8 on that 2nd string. Now that's only once. Now this next set of notes is reoccurring for another 5 times, which goes... So it's pretty much the same, apart from instead of stopping at the 8 on the 1st string and then going to the 11 2nd string, we go back to the 8th fret on that 1st string. So picking for this one is going to be similar. So down, down, up, down, and then up, pull off. Okay, so that's the bend. 1st finger, 8th fret, 1st and 2nd strings. Rolling it back onto that 2nd string. And then 11th fret, pull off to the 8 again on that 2nd string. So that little lick basically is the reoccurring one, which goes like this. So look at my picking. Nice to try those licks as well in different positions. Good fun to do that in any situation. They work over pretty much any track that you could want to play over as well, so that's cool. Now after you've done that 6 times, so you're ending with that 8th fret on the 2nd string, then you go straight down the blues scale from the 10th fret 3rd string, which is going to be 10, 8, 10, 8, you're going to pick all these as well. 10, 9, 8, 6, 8, 6, and then slide into that root note. I said octave then. Well, it is an octave, but there you go. The root note on that fourth string on the 10th fret. So you get. So I'll play the whole lick slow for you now. If I can remember how many times it goes round, we're good. Here we go. So 3, 4, and I think I played one too many on the end there, but hey ho, back over to me at the end. So thanks very much for sticking with it, all my blabbering on and jibber jabber. If you do like it, please consider subscribing, liking, sharing, and visiting the website dansguitar.com for your tab, which you'll find on there for free. It's all free, so you ain't got to worry about it. You might have to put up with a few adverts every now and then, but that's just part of it, I'm afraid. So there you are. Patreon page is also linked in the description of this video, and that is all I need to say. Subscribe, like, share, and everything else that goes with it. Please comment, please say hello, come and visit me on the social media, and I'll see you next week for 3, 4, 6. Nice. See you later, everyone. Jamming track coming up. See you later, everyone.